That works. Been trying to actually work on my getting the audio just right, so please forgive me if it's a little too high or too low. I am still adjusting. But I figured, you know what, it'd be a nice stream to kind of, you know, get started on and what have you while I'm still setting everything up and waiting on my VTuber models to come back to life. So for now, you're going to be hearing just my audio. I have selected instrumental, so why? No. Where is? There we go. There we go. Oh well, that worked. Hey, XD, how you doing today, buddy? Oh yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started with programming, I guess, while I'm waiting on Steam to get back with me and get my app back to life. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So what I want to do is, you don't know English, I'm so sorry that you struggled onto an English VTuber who still does not have a VTuber model just yet, so I am so sorry. But it is a pleasure to meet your acquaintance, at least. Yeah, all of this, though, I need to change. So this could be a clean slate. So let me go back to Replit real quick. We're going to create a, let's see, create Node.js, Ororpia, classy one-pager. And it's gonna be private for right now until I feel like I've. Yeah, I could tell you're from Russia. I don't know Russian either, so we're both at an impasse. Alright, so we need to install Discord.js real quick. npm Discord.js. I guess it's gonna have to work for Rock though. Config JSON. I'm going to work with as few files as possible. So, well, let's see. We are going to seal event handling real quick. We're going to scroll down and just copy everything here. And we're going to adjust a few things. So, copy. Go to paste here. Oh, that's not JSON. All copy. X. A token. Token's gonna go right there. It's a pleasure. I like to be your friend too, buddy. Yeah. So first, we need to make sure we install as many of these dependencies as possible. So fs path I'm gonna reinstall everything for Node. That way, everything is just a fresh file install. Should be good to go. Yeah, I am struggling to get my VTuber model up and ready, so please bear with me while I have no face. If my music is a little too loud, do let me know. I will adjust volume here soon too. So. Alright, so we need to convert everything into a class. So we're gonna create a class called commands. We're going to create a class for events. I like how it knows exactly what I'm about to do too. So we're going to create a ping, which is going to accept a new class. Ping. And it's going to have data / command builder. Command builder. And then execute is going to be class execute. Constructor interaction. Alright, that's at least a good start. Good luck to you too, XD. I'm gonna say this interaction is going to equal interaction. If I have to be classy, I'm going to have to work with this. So we got commands. We need interaction create, and we need ready. So we got that going. So inside each file that Discord wants us to make, we need C ready, which is name once true. We're gonna go back over here, scroll down. Once is going to be true. And then name is going to be events client ready. Events client ready. What's it? Yeah, kinda. So client ready is going to be right here. It's not a function call, so I don't need to worry about those parentheses right now. So ready's going to be right there. Interaction. Just going to steal all of this. And I had to turn it into a class. I'm deleting that. I'm going to paste here. name is going to be equal to events. Interaction create. Execute is going to be equal to a class. Oh, not class. Class execute constructor. There we go. Should be yes. If I understand that correctly, that should slurp. That should slurp. Inside here, constructor can slurp. The outlines is good. There we go. Alright. Yeah, because await is not needed anymore. So we don't need a try catch. We're just going to tell that right now. We're just going to command execute interaction. And if there's an issue, it's going to just pop up, and then we're just going to find out what it's going to be later on. We're going to say this because we don't have a const letter var in this challenge, so it'll be this command. We're going to return that. Let's make this simpler. We don't have to return anything. We'll just execute it if it's a I don't need guard clauses if everything's already going to be a positive interaction. So I'm going to have to say this interaction equals interaction. So this is also going to have to mean this. Because how many times are probably gonna have to say this before someone takes it as like a game of shots and someone's gonna pass out and break their livers because of me? I don't wanna be responsible for drunk behavior, but it's gonna happen anyway. My user tag. Okay, so log. Crap. I can't say that. I'm just gonna have to say this. Because we always love to have this in this whole thing. Might have to make like a counter. Like down here. How many times the word this is mentioned, the word class is mentioned, and the word new is mentioned. And grade them like how drunk you want to be before this challenge ends. Oh, I go to hell for that. Alright, so Discord, we need interaction create to basically read off the commands. We need ready to initialize the bot whenever it's ready. And then the index after. Alright, so we don't need to read files anymore. We have a giant pingy of pings. We have classes now that we do things with. So, heartbeat for running these commands is client command set, and then we need the client ones. So we need to sort these out real quick. Say new class init to initialize everything. It's going to be self-invoked. We'll go for that suggestion right now. I can hoist it. So commands. It's actually going to equal new commands. And then events is going to be that. So I don't need to do that down here. Let me just leave that above there. So this is whenever the events would fire off. And inside the event file, especially interaction create, we need to go back and look at what it's doing. It's doing the execute portion. Yeah, we're firing off the actual thing. So what we're going to do is if this command I want to understand something. So we're supposed to command response methods. Let's see what I'm looking for. Advanced command creation. That's the slash command builder that we had before. And we're not going to put new in front of it because we want to initialize that whenever that comes up to be. So I have a feeling this is going to change. So this needs to be looked at as if this is a slash command input, we want to actually see if there's a command that's actually fit in that method. So this feels gross for some reason. Alright, so let's scroll back up here and see what we can find. So init is going to have client. Client is going to be a new client. So we have our initializers. We're going to steal this. And we're going to be using import. This from Discord.js. Import token from config.json because that is what our token is for. So I can eliminate this line out of the way. Go ahead and clean that up so we don't accidentally start it up every time we want to run it. the client stuff could start up as soon as we need. It's a coast. How you doing, buddy? So we got the token from the token bot. We got Discord ready. We need to fire off new clients. So we need to make a client somewhere. So client's gonna be up here. So I'm gonna say that is checked. Say that is when any of that is going to be checked. That's awesome, buddy. I hope it goes well. And then this client commands going to be new collection. Collection is part of that, yes. So in it, it's going to be this client. .command / new collection. Yay! Now we got that sorted out. So we got that. And we're not going to read command files, what have you, so we're going to skip these sections. However, what we're going to pay attention to is the require. If data in command, execute in command. So we need to make this. So we're going to copy that. Command initializers to Discord JS API. So we're going to create a for loop. Const command of new commands. Command is declared, but it has to. Yeah, should be. See you later, buddy. I need to make sure if something's right. So let's go to console real quick. If I need to make a class, call a command. Let's do some proof of concept here. Actually, going to separate, expand. Control plus, clean this up, dark mode, dark mode, dark mode, dark mode, workplace, preference, dark mode, console. Where is dark mode? Ah, there it is. Good. Alright, there we go. Now we got proof of concept. So what we're going to do is we're going to prove ourselves. This is what we want. Command. Ping equals class. Ping. Hello. World. So we're going to create that, and then our job is going to iterate that. So we're going to for const command in new command, and we're going to console log that command, and it will pop up ping just as we need it to. So the word is in this case. because we're searching for the key of that property. So we're good. So what are we doing inside? We need to data in command. So we need to check off a few things. If data in new command because data is going to be a class because of the slash command builder, so it has to be initialized by new, right? Should be. So if it has that, we'll just add another if layer. And we're going to go for command in new command. Then, and then only if we can do this client command set new command name. That should be right, yes? So inside is command data name. And it's supposed to be data, not command. Dot data. Data. Dang. Right, so that should be command. Command is going to be an absolute, so it's going to just sit there. I'm not sure how I'm not sure how it's going to want to decipher all that. So we have an initializer, that's good. So we're going to point to this, call it good. So we have that, we're good now. Now, we need something for events. So event initializer is going to be initializer to start bot with is going to be a for loop again, const event in new events. So it's a event and new events. We have to get if event once run, otherwise, yay. So we're going to point to this and call it complete there. We're going to go back down here and say if we're not going to say if event is once true. New event once is going to be this client, right? Event once event args. Yeah, that's how that's gonna be. But event is not a traditional object. It's going to be a new event. Because execute is a class now. So if we go back up here and look at ping, it's now a class. It takes an interaction call. So this interaction reply, and then at the end of that, we can just always catch, because it has to return that hi sweetie. Hi, hello. I have interrupting Lucy on the charts here, everyone. Hi, sweetie. Yes, Daddy noticed you. Yes, yes, he does. Alright, lay down. Lay down. No, you can't take up the entire screen. Come on. Right. No. Right, so return this. Otherwise, else this client on events execute. So we want to make a definition so it's easier that we don't repeat this. But at the same time, this is Discord. I can't do anything about arrow functions. That's Discord's fault, not mine. That's not how I made it. So event initializers is done. I guess when I had to make a thing there. There we go. So, there we go. Yes. Since I don't have to use curly brackets there, I don't need to. It's starting to look Pythonic and classy. Started to look really nice and neat, actually. So, we got slash command builder is what we're going to make. We got in slash command builder, we need to add a name. Add name. That one's going to be ping. Replies upon. That one's going to be down here because that one's going to be yeah, at the end I could probably just slap a to JSON. Oh, set name. Set let's see. Set name. Set description. So this has to be invoked with new because slash commander can't just exist there. It has to be invoked with new. And I hope that works. Because class execute is a class, not a function. Technically it's a function, but still we can work with it. So event starts Then it's gonna check on client, which now means interaction create. It's going to be my baby right now. So this is where I gotta point to next. Because this is now execute for set those things. This feels way too complicated. But client has to happen. But yeah, I'll leave this alone. It should go up to interaction create, and it should be ready to go. So interaction creates is now look at interaction, this command, command execute. We're going to say new command execute. New this command. And this interaction. Because the word this and class is pretty synonymous about getting your liver poisoned every time you hear it as a shot. So this is now simplified down. But we need a place to put our client. So client login token is going to be at the very, very bottom. Client token. This client token. MyNet. Int. This token. Well, tokens could be there. So ping is going to be up here. It's going to be special. It will have to have this stuff. Right, so we got this pointed out. We don't have to worry about files anymore since everything's going to be all in one file. I want to also track down how long a command takes. So what I want to do inside of events Lucy, stop. I also have interrupting dog too. She wants to play. Yes, she does. Gotta give love to dog, otherwise dog will think that you abandoned her and she will not be happy doggo. So sometimes you have interrupting dog that wants to play. Ow. That was my finger. My finger used to linger. You're silly. So can't have objects, but I have to do the next best thing, so instead I'm going to convert this into a new class. So new class, it's going to be self-invoked, intents, gateway build intents, there we go. Totally healthy behavior. Intents. New class intents, that's going to be self-invoking, and it's gonna have the intense property to select from, and yeah, it's gonna be very cluttery today. We don't have a true object, we just have classes today. We don't want to return. Else is going to be cleaned up like this. So, we'll leave it like that. Okay, so, losing track. We got commands that we register with. We got the events that need fire when things happen. So, we need to look at this, which is going to be my interaction creates. All the magic now happens in this little box. Name here on both does not mean classes. Event name is not class invoked. It will not have a new in it, nor will event ones. However, execute does. So this command is going to be interactions get. This command is new to this command execute. So this lines up with the class to invoke and fire stuff up. And then I'm going to tab. That if anything happens, it'll be a catch. I don't have the arrow function, I could just console log it. Be catch. Console log. I hope I'm doing that right. This feels repetitive. Alright, so we got this now sorted out. New command, data to name. Init is where everything fires off. Self-invoked class. Firing event. Events, the bot needs to run. All important commands are created here. Instead of init, I'm gonna call it main in celebration of all things C. So we'll leave that as main for hilarious purposes and intents. Import's going to do import things, so we're going to run. Cannot use import statements outside a module. Type module in. Okay. Type module. And then we're gonna run it. Distribution type chase. Let's sort out what this code is. No, I don't mean that. Error is copy. Let's paste. Error import assertion. And missing. We always research things and do things by the book. Oh, for people who think I should do TypeScript, this is your... So I'd use... Oh, I failed. That's gonna be right there. Import token from... So I need to provide a token key for Discord bot stuff. So Discord dev portal, my applications. Son of a bitch. Go push that over to the left hand side. And I'm going to sign on with my phone that none of y'all get to see because I am evil. Muahaha ha ha ha. Here we go. Going in. Start talking. I'm going to dark mode that. Bring this over so y'all can see what I'm doing. Hey, get it? See? Funny programming language. We're gonna steal Ororpia here for a minute. Test bot. OAuth. Bot. For all security tenets and purposes, I am stealing these two for right now to insert my bot token. So, yes. Son of a gun. I need my OAuth. Authy. Copy. Paste. To delete that now, I am going to move this back up here. So I now have a token. I have everything that I set my heart to do. General information. I'm going to move my bot back up here. And then I get to see every single one of you guys again. I'm just waiting for Steam just to accept me so I can get back to my VTuber stuff and show my ugly, ugly face. I guess right now, y'all are just not going to be able to see my face. It's okay. So, let us run. Oh, import token from config JSON. Assert type. Width. So let's go for width. Ah, do not need that. It should be proper now. Should we type JSON? Yeah. Token should have a proper. Oh, ew. Did I do that? That's stupid. I hate import already. Ew. Just ew. Requested module does not provide. Provide an export. Yeah, type of module should be fine. It should exist. I'm gonna say new window. To pull this aside here real quick. Bring that back to index so I don't accidentally. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So it has to be. Let me just do JS because that's just. Rename that to Chase. Yeah, it's just gross. I'm just gonna have to leave it like that, I guess. It has to have default? Ew. I didn't mean to do that. That's just gonna be... Darn it. No one's gonna hijack my bot from me today. Well, y'all get to see what a bot key looks like. So now we all know that this doesn't work anymore. But that's what it kind of looks like. I just need to figure out why. Probably just better if I used import tokens. I'll just rename that to JSON. Yes, so that's what this is all about now. Tokens. With type JSON. Command is not a constructor. Let's point that out here real quick. If data is not a new command, it's going to have new / command builder. Wait, what? What? Command in data. Oh, execute in data. Ah. Command is not a constructor. Okay, so I done that wrong. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes. That is new. It's not command. It's execute. I am stupid. New / command builder is just be / command. Command is not a constructor at this thing. Yeah, it is. I made sure it is. Can't use in-operator search for data in ping? Liar. Console, log, object, keys, commands. I have to know. Fun. 0, 1, 2, 3. What? What is this? Values? P-I-N-G, the word. So what's in new commands? Freebie. Class freebie. Data is going to be data. Data is going to be / command builder. Set name freebie. Applies to a freebie item. That's fine. We're just gonna go with that for right now. I know it's Microsoft, but what is the P for? Like, what is MSP? Execute. It's gonna be a class freebie. Execute. I almost smell that that could be Excel. I don't know why. You got a free item. Class big, class freebie, yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Command is not defined. Yeah, it is. Run it. Data in command, new commands. Command is not a constructor. What? Oh, I never heard of Movie Star Planet. What is it about? How is... Can I just do new / command builder? So I don't need to declare new for data? What? I had to just understand console log object keys command object values new commands. Ping and freebie. Keys are free. Ping and freebie. Keys in commands. Command 0, 1, 2, 3 value. PING. So literate. Oh, I haven't played that old game. I know of others, but kind of like Planet Racer and other Flash-based games. Yeah, I've played some Flash-based games. No, this isn't it. So what is command, literally? Command. Oh, so I just do new commands. Then command. Oh, okay, I'm dumb. That's what this is all about. Slash. So we're going to establish that command is equal to new commands command. So we're going to say this command. Command is a singular term, so yay! New Discord invalid token was provided. Yes. Okay, so that is what I was looking for. Alright, I need to Discord developer portal, copy token, put it in my new config. Paste it. Now I should be able to pop back in here. I should be able to run it. Okay. This command sets. Stop. So why is events not firing? Because that's commands. Oh, this command. Let's see. Importing JSON modules is an experimental feature and might change at any time. Bite me! Why would that fire? Console log set up commands. Events. Yay. I missed my semicolon there. Stop. So events fail me. Class ready. It should just, oh. Let's throw ready up as first. So X, V, there we go. Stop and then ready. What? So I wonder if I have this issue too. Pause event and new events. Event name. Run. Still does the same thing. What? Why you do that? Why? Console log event. Stop. Run. Ready interaction create. Yay. So do I have to do this event is new? Okay, so this event. Stop. Run. Event. Stop. Run. Is that not even firing? What's it doing? It should already have a parameter. Why? Why are you not running? Events is I am stupid. New event. Ha! Okay. That's silly of me. Also, for the people that just now noticed, on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, on both my mobile and my desktop's oriented screens, there's a link tree, so you'll be able to follow me anywhere you are. That way it's just a little easier for everyone to see where I'm at. Not having to post my socials everywhere, it's just all in one place. So, figure that'd be a little easier. Keys. Stop. Run. So there's their keys. There is a class. Why? Could I just say name? Stop. Fine. Yeah, I know, right? It should just fire. What about execute? Stop. Run. Execute should fire. Oh, because I didn't have execute as a new class. Class execute. Then it's supposed to have a constructor because I'm silly. Okay. I forgot naming conventions already. Stop. Run. Set command, set events. New class and new execute. Is this where new is? Stop. Run. Copy. Console. Undefined. Ha! So for each class has to be invoked with a new thing. So, for example, class command will have pig. Inside there is class pig. Hello, squirrel. This would be new command. And it'd be pig. Console log. King is not a constructor. And then you just throw new in front of it. And it should be, yeah. Okay, yeah. It should be, yeah. Stop and run. Let's try this again. Stop and run. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a double new in this case because I'm throwing it layers deep. Yes, so for every new, there must be a subpart. So if there's one, execute has to be another. So therefore, there's two layers of new that has to run. Class constructor execute cannot be invoked without the word new. It's right here. Run. What? So I forgot a new layer? So I'm just going to delete this and hope that there's enough news there. Apparently not. Okay, so stop. Run. Event's going to have parentheses just to make sure. Stop and run. Undefined, undefined. I just take a layer off. Stop and run. Can't be invoked without the word new. Run. Yay. So execute. Stop and run. So it must now be a constructor because it's inside a constructor. Can't be invoked without the word new. So there's a new layer. Run. So now if there's a that should be new again. Stop and run. This client user. This client user tag. No friggin' cheese. One, two, three. So it has to be the third new. I'm just gonna listen to see if that exists. Stop and run. This event. And it's going to be new. I want to make sure that I am seeing that properly. So I can do this. Console log this event. Yeah, there we go. Name is undefined. If I take that away, what am I left with? Oh, it's still there. Just the names are yeeted. So if I take away the word new, in this case, stop. What? Plus, ready cannot be invoked with the word new. So this has to have a new. So the names are undefined. Why is the names undefined? What does interaction create? I don't understand this stuff. What's events? Do I not have events? Oh, I don't. That's why. Stop. Run. The event has already been declared. Where? Bodies. So let's go for bodiments. Now let's run that. Events is not a constructor. Where? There you are. Now you make more sense. Yeah, and the bot works as intended, so let's clean this up. Can I say this event? That cleaned a lot of things. Crash. This chat is command input. It's not a function. What do you mean? Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to. Copy, paste, copy, paste, run. Oh, this is so gross. So, I need to invite my test bot over to my server. That is what I have to do. So, if you haven't learned how to invite your bot over, let me go ahead and provide that page. So let's go that page. Bring this over to view. So if you made your own bot, you've already got your tokens and fun stuff like that. So let's bring this back over here. So OAuth bot. There we go. Alright, so for all intents and purposes, we got our bot. This is where we get our token, which I'm not going to copy because it's now live, it's not working, and it's different than the one y'all seen before. So for me, I just click admin because I don't have to worry about any of these permissions. So copy. Wait, I need to invite it. Invite to server. I need bot. Where is it? Where is it? I need to send it to a server. General. Install. Copy. Paste. Yay! Add to server. That's new. Darn it! It's not like I have to wait for multi-factor authentication to pop back up. Wait, am I human? Am I faking it till I make it? Yes. Yay, we have now a human bot. I shall now have slash commands. I have a ping. It should reply with Pong. If not, oh, it failed. Oh, it has failed indeed. Right, so at least it's up and running. Oh, this interaction. This command, new this command, execute this interaction. Oh, it didn't iterate over each of the pings. Oh, that's so nasty. Let's go back down and see what we got here. Fortunately, I had to throw new. Right, new. Stop, run. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Try again. Run. Hold on, non-object. Your commands, command. Can't be invoked without new. Console log command. Run. Ping. New commands, command. So we're going to copy, we're going to paste it, we're going to like it. Whether I can find my hopes and dreams is still another question. Class ping. That. So it is a double new invocation. I asked for this first. Hide this for right now. Run. Missing. Oh. Run. But I have commands. Can we just do new commands? Yay, class freebie. Stop and I start, and then it should say I need to have class constructor ping can't be invoked without new. Just that. And then pings can. So that means I need. Okay. I should be able to have name. Data. Right? Run. Undefined, so stop and run. I broke it. Yay. Run. This data, I have to invoke a new in front of that. It's a new data. Darn it. Stop and run. So I just say new. Stop and run. Like hell it is. Let's see, to Jason. Stop. Can't read without the property of that. Run. Paint can't be invoked with new. Run. I am not sure. And this is part of the challenge, trying to make sure everything works while I'm still waiting on Steam. So, for example, let's just make this run. Commands. I'm just gonna run it. Should be ping, replies pong. It's nice, but unfortunately, it did not read all of my commands. I should be able to see freebie in there too. Stop. Run. Oh, I broke it. I immediately broke it. Let's see. Yeah, I still don't see freebie. Freebie is supposed to be up there. I should be able to see it. Why? Why you know exist? To create iterable classes. Something I never thought I had to do. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream while I get all the back-end troubleshooting stuff done. But until then, I'll see y'all a little later on today. That's all. Stay safe. God bless.